Good morning students. This is the second video lecture of the kinds of sentences. Students, in previous video lecture I have explained you about the what is a sentence, its parts, subject and predicate, and its kinds name also. Okay, and in kinds I have explained you about the declarative sentences. Okay, now today in this video lecture we shall discuss about interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. So let's start. Second kind of sentence is interrogative sentences. First of all, let us understand what is an interrogative sentence. Students, an interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question. Interrogative sentence always asks a question. Okay? For example, like, who does not love his country? Question mark. Does the sun rise in the east? Question mark. So students, always remember, sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence or a question sentence. Students, there are two types of interrogative sentence. There are two types of interrogative sentence. First, yes/no interrogative, and second, WH interrogative. First, yes/no interrogative and second, WH interrogative. Means there are two types of interrogative sentences, means yes/no question form and WH question form. Students, yes/no interrogatives or questions that can be answered with a yes or no response. Yes/no questions are that type of questions in which you can give the answer in yes or no form. Okay? You probably ask or are asked this question every day. For example, like, did you take your vitamin this morning? Do you have your homework ready? Or other example, are you ready to go? These questions, these type of question, in these type of question you can give your answer in yes or no. Okay? So these type of questions are called yes/no interrogative. Okay? Again I am telling you, yes/no questions are that type of questions in which you can give the answer in yes/no form. Second, WH interrogative or WH question form. WH interrogative begin with a WH word. Always remember students, WH interrogative begin with a WH word and call for an open-ended answer. A yes or no answer is not appropriate for these questions, nor does the question provide alternative answers. The answer can be a simple response or complex explanation. Okay? Again I am telling you, WH questions are those questions in which we have to give the answer in detail. Okay? Yes or no answer is not appropriate for these type of questions. You have to give the complete explanation. Okay? You have to give the detail of that question. So that is called the WH interrogatives or WH question form. Like for example, where do you live? This is the question. Then you have to give the answer in detail. Means you have to give your address, detail. You can't give the answer yes or no. Who is playing in the tournament? Answer should be in detail, not in yes or no. And third, what is the meaning of this? Okay, you have to give the answer in detail. So there are, again I am explaining you, there are two types of interrogative. First, yes/no question form and second one is WH question form. In yes/no question form, you have to give the answer in yes or no only. Okay? And WH question always start with a WH word and always has got the answer in detail. You have to give the answer in detail, means in complete explanation. Now, next kind of sentence is imperative sentence. What is an imperative sentence? Students, a sentence that expresses a command, a request, or a desire is called an imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command, a request, or a desire is called an imperative sentence. See the example? Shut the door. This is command. Lend me your book, please. This is request. And God save the queen. This is wish. So always remember, a sentence that expresses a command, a request, or a desire is called an imperative sentence. Next kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Students, a sentence that expresses some strong or sudden feelings. Always remember, a sentence that expresses our strong or sudden feelings is called an exclamatory sentence. For example, like, how hot it is. This is the feeling, sudden feeling, strong feeling. What a foolish boy you are. These two sentences are the example of exclamatory sentence. And always remember, a sentence that expresses some strong or sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentences. Thank you, students.